Well, welcome back to Alice Customs Project Car TV. And today we have a new project. Yes, another one. This one's much smaller and hopefully will go much quicker, but I have a granddaughter who is about to have her first birthday and she needs an airplane. Let's just face it. So every child does. What we've got is a 1980s or late 80s Army Pursuit pedal car airplane. It's a tail dragger, so it actually steers from the rear. And it's missing one part, which is the pulley that drives the propeller. However, I think one of the reasons they quit making these is because it uses like a spring as a belt to go from the pulley on the pedal, the crank, to the pedal or to the pulley that would have been behind this. And it's really easy for the kids to get their fingers in there. So I'm gonna make it to where the propeller doesn't spin and eliminate that issue. Other than that, it's not in bad shape. I mean, really, it could be cleaned up and a kid could enjoy it just the way it is. But my granddaughter's grandfather builds custom stuff, so we're going to build a custom airplane. Now, I found it online, and it took me a while to find one that was complete and not all tore up. Some parts are available, so that's a good thing. What I'm going to be doing is disassembling it all and sanding down all the parts, painting it, put a little interior of some sort in it, and we have about 3 weeks to do all of this in between my regular job, days that I have to be doing other things, and trying to find enough warm days that I can keep the shop warm enough for paint to cure. So it's going to be a challenge. But first trick is to get it all disassembled, take plenty of pictures, and start sanding. And then we can get some, probably we don't even need the primer unless we find some. There are a few places where the paint and whatever coating is probably actually powder coat is completely nicked off, so we will have to put a little primer on some spots, but overall it's in just really good shape. There's a few dents that we'll hammer out and then get this thing ready to go. Let's get this thing torn down. It's all metric, so it looks like most of it's Phillips head screws, and I'm going to guess these are probably 8mm nuts. So grab a few tools and
What don't they vote?